Hey everyone, if you want to stay organized, remember important information, and work more efficiently, Glasp can be a great productivity tool. In this video, I'll show you how to use Glasp for productivity step by step. First, sign in to your Glasp account and install the Glasp browser extension if you haven't already. Once everything is set up, you can start saving useful information from websites, articles, PDFs, and supported YouTube videos. Next, highlight the most important text instead of bookmarking entire pages. Yeah, this helps you focus only on the information that actually matters. After creating a highlight, add a note with your own thoughts, action items, or reminders. Keeping personal notes alongside your highlights makes it much easier to remember why you saved them. To keep everything organized, use tags or collections whenever they're available. You can group related highlights by project, client, subject, or workflow, making them much easier to find later. You can also use the search feature to quickly locate saved highlights and notes without opening multiple web pages again. This saves time and keeps your workflow efficient. Finally, review your Glasp library regularly. Remove outdated information, update important notes, and continue building your personal knowledge base as you work. And that's it. Now you know how to use Glasp for productivity and organize your knowledge more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.